Figs, the luscious fruit of the ficus carica tree, have been cultivated for thousands of years and revered by numerous ancient civilizations. With their delicate sweetness, unique texture, and powerful nutritional profile, figs have earned their place both as a culinary delicacy and a traditional remedy. Whether fresh or dried, figs are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and essential minerals that support a wide array of bodily functions. As research continues to uncover the therapeutic potential of this humble fruit, its value in a healthy diet becomes increasingly clear. Here are the top 10 health benefits of figs, and why they deserve a regular spot in your diet. Number 1. Figs promote digestive health. One of the most well-known benefits of figs is their contribution to a healthy digestive system. Figs are naturally high in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps to maintain regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. The fiber in figs adds bulk to the stool and facilitates its smooth passage through the intestines. Beyond relieving constipation, the fiber in figs also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. This promotes a balanced microbiome, which is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall gut health. Including figs in your diet can help reduce bloating, support intestinal health, and regulate digestion effectively. Number 2. Figs are rich in antioxidants. Figs are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect the body against damage from free radicals, unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and contribute to chronic disease. Among the antioxidants found in figs are polyphenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids, all of which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and disease-fighting properties. Studies suggest that the darker the fig, the higher its antioxidant content, with varieties like black mission figs containing particularly potent levels. These antioxidants help neutralize oxidative stress, reducing the risk of conditions such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Number 3. Figs support heart health. Consuming figs regularly may improve cardiovascular health through several mechanisms. First, the soluble fiber in figs helps lower LDL cholesterol levels by binding with cholesterol in the digestive system and removing it from the body. Additionally, figs are a good source of potassium, a mineral vital for controlling blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium, easing strain on the cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of hypertension. Some studies also suggest that fig extracts can lower triglyceride levels, further protecting against heart disease. With their ability to manage cholesterol, improve blood pressure, and reduce inflammation, figs serve as a heart-healthy food choice. Number 4. Figs help regulate blood sugar. Despite their natural sweetness, figs have a low to moderate glycemic index, which means they cause a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar compared to refined carbohydrates. The fiber in figs slows down the digestion and absorption of sugars, helping prevent spikes and crashes in glucose levels. More impressively, studies have found that fig leaf extract may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar in individuals with type 2 diabetes. While fresh figs are the better choice for blood sugar control, dried figs can still be enjoyed in moderation. For those managing blood glucose, figs provide a satisfying and nutritious way to curb sweet cravings. Number 5. Figs improve bone health. Figs are an excellent plant-based source of several minerals essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. They contain calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin K, nutrients that work together to build bone density and prevent osteoporosis. Calcium is the primary mineral in bones, and just a handful of dried figs can provide a significant portion of the daily recommended intake. Magnesium enhances calcium absorption, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone mineralization. For people who do not consume dairy or are looking for additional sources of bone-supporting nutrients, figs are a delicious and valuable alternative. Number 6. Figs contribute to healthy skin. The nutrients in figs can also benefit the skin, both when consumed and when applied topically. Figs are rich in antioxidants and vitamins such as vitamin C, which help protect skin cells from oxidative damage, support collagen production, and reduce signs of aging. Traditionally, fig paste has been used to treat skin conditions like ulcers and inflammations. In modern skincare, fig extracts are included in creams and masks for their moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of figs can help hydrate the skin from within, reduce acne, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. Number 7. Figs aid in weight management. For individuals looking to manage their weight, figs offer a sweet, satisfying snack that is naturally low in calories but high in fiber. The fiber in figs helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and minimizing the urge to overeat. Unlike refined sweets or snacks that cause blood sugar spikes, figs provide a more stable source of energy. Their natural sugars can satisfy sweet cravings without the health drawbacks associated with processed sugar. When eaten in appropriate portions, figs can be an effective tool in maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding unhealthy snacking habits. Number 8. Figs support liver function. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, and figs may help enhance this process. Research, particularly in animal models, has shown that fig extracts can protect the liver from damage and reduce the levels of liver enzymes associated with inflammation and stress. These extracts may also help prevent fat accumulation in the liver, which is particularly important for those at risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. While human studies are still limited, the early findings are promising and suggest that figs could play a role in maintaining a healthy and efficient liver. Number 9. Figs enhance reproductive health. Figs have been associated with fertility and reproductive wellness in various traditional systems of medicine, including Ayurveda and Unani. They contain important nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, and iron, which are known to support hormone balance, menstrual health, and reproductive function. In men, zinc is vital for testosterone production and sperm health, while women benefit from iron's role in maintaining regular cycles and preventing anemia. Although scientific research in this area is still developing, the nutrient profile of figs supports their traditional use as a fertility-enhancing food. Number 10. Figs may have anti-cancer potential. Early research has suggested that compounds found in figs, including phycin, a proteolytic enzyme found in fig latex, and certain polyphenols, may have anti-cancer effects. In laboratory studies, fig extracts have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth of various types of cancer cells, including those in the colon, breast, and liver. These compounds are believed to work by inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, and reducing oxidative stress that can lead to DNA damage. While more human-based studies are needed, these findings highlight the potential of figs as part of a diet aimed at reducing cancer risk. Figs are not just a delicious treat, they are a powerful functional food that supports the body in many ways. From digestive balance to heart protection, from glowing skin to stronger bones, figs offer a diverse range of benefits rooted in both traditional wisdom and modern science. They are easy to include in the diet, whether eaten fresh, dried, or incorporated into recipes. However, it's important to consume figs in moderation, especially dried ones, which are higher in sugar and calories. For most people, adding figs to the diet can be a small but meaningful step toward better health. Their rich combination of fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals makes them one of nature's most impressive and versatile fruits. Whether you're seeking to manage your weight, improve your digestion, protect your heart, or simply enjoy a sweet and satisfying snack, figs offer a naturally wholesome solution. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.